Dear student, this is class 9th computer science and today we will going to discuss chapter 4 basics of operating system. In this chapter we will discuss about operating system. Now, the basic concept of operating system. An operating system is a program which acts as an interface between a user and the hardware. It controls and coordinates the user of the hardware among the various application program for the various users. The role of an operating system. The operating system provide certain services to program and to the user of the program. The first one is program execution. It is responsible for the execution of various user program or system program. Handling of input and output operation. It is responsible for handling various types of input and output in the appropriate manner. Manipulation of file system. It makes decision regarding the storage of files, that is where and how a particular file is to be stored. Error detection and handling. It is responsible for detecting any type of error that occur and then properly handle it. Resource allocation. It is responsible for proper use of resources available. Resources means the peripheral devices, input devices, output devices, etc. Accounting. It is responsible to keep an account of what type of function is taken place and what type of error have occurred. Information and resource protection. It is responsible for ensuring that the information and resources available on machine are used in the correct way and foil the attempt to use them incorrectly. And the last is providing user interface. It provide a user interface to interact operating system with its user. Next is need for an operating system. Why we need an operating system? The primary goal of an operating system is to make the computer system convenient to use, and the secondary is to use computer hardware in an efficient manner. It provides convenient access to hardware by providing facilities to interact with user in their language with utmost user friendliness and manage various resources of the computer so as to give optimal performance. It also provides security to the system and its program and data by ensuring the authorized user to use the system through valid user accounts. It eliminates features not available in hardware such as virtual memory. Next, operating system consists of two parts, cell and kernel. Cell. Cell is responsible for interacting with the user. It acts as a interpreter which accept command and instruction from user and translate into the machine language and pass that command to the kernel to execute them according to the instruction. Kernel. A kernel is the core part of an operating system. It functions at the basic level communicating with the actual hardware. It works as an interface between user application and hardware. Kernels are of two types, monolithic kernel and microkernel. Monolithic kernel can be defined as a software framework for operating system having access to all entities such as CPU, memory, input device, output device, etc. Whereas microkernel can be defined as a piece of software which contain only those functions that are essential for the implementation of an operating system. Now, this is about some topics of this chapter. Next topics are explained in next video. Thank you.